Oh yeah. Hey everyone, this is Eric back with Auto Replay, man. It's been a while. A lot of things have been going on, a lot of changes have been going on here with the kids. It's Tuesday, I think, like November 3rd or something, I don't even know. He'll show it on the actual thing. But I'm gonna start a new series talking about credit. I've been working hard on mine because I let mine go for so long. I don't even know where it was. It was probably like 400 something. Just got hit with a ball. Man, you hit me, man. Yeah, it's money. Okay, I'm gonna let that one slide. You need to kick away from the house. Okay, kick away from the house, because I'll kick it towards the windows and stuff. But so I'm gonna start talking about that, and you know, I'll flip the video and we'll go through it and basically just talking about how credit works, how you could rebuild your credit, because that's what I'm working on mine right now, and going from there, because like I actually got a local business that's like 5 miles far, and they're actually rebuilding mine right now, and it's been working. Like I've opened up like about 3 or 4 lines of credit, just like a couple little prepaid credit cards. I think I got like 1 or 2 actual credit cards. One's like actual rewards card, and I'll show y'all this, man, and y'all I'll do like a video on each one, and basically y'all sign up, man. Y'all might get 50 bucks or 100 bucks or something just to sign up, you know, so just put y'all some money in y'all account. And I do appreciate y'all, you know, hanging out with me, man. I know the car channel has changed. The SUV hasn't been here for me to work on. I've been having like mobile mechanics like put on brakes and hubs, and I've had oil changes done by shops and stuff like that. So I just haven't personally worked on it myself, not any time lately. And I didn't realize how much the prices of the labor has gone up, man. Cause like somebody was getting a steering rack quoted, man. It was like $2,500. I was like, good Lord, for 5 hours of labor? I'm like, they're charging like what, $200 a hour or something like that. I don't even know, man. But it's very, very expensive. So I'm just really being cautious of what to do, because prices of everything is just going really, really high, and I think things are going to crash. So I think I'm gonna just wait before I buy anything, you know what I mean? And then you know, I would like, or find a good deal, and then, you know, see about flipping it or something like that. But I really want to look at, you know, I don't know if I could open up like a U-Haul dealership here, put a bunch of U-Haul trucks outside and just rent them out, or get somebody to start renting them out, or keep this the neighbor app going, so we park some more cars back here. That'll be beneficial, because that's pretty easy stuff, man. You just park it and, you know, make money and stuff like that. So that's really what I'm trying to focus on until I get my residuals up, my passive income up. I'm not buying nothing, yeah. So that's my goal, man. So I'm trying to work on getting the residuals up, so where it's constant, you know, it just works. So I'll catch y'all next one, man.